Hello everyone, my name is Kingsley, and I am a student at Bryan Stratton College at the online division. Today I am going to be going through my e-portfolio and sharing with you some of the program institutional outcomes for other courses that I have taken. So as you can see here, you can see the courses that I have taken. I have taken the ICD-10 Procedural Coding. This course covers procedural coding for utilizing the ICD-10 PCS classification system and reimbursement methodologies. As a student, I learned how to build an ICD-10 PCS procedure code using coding tables as well as an encoder. Topics will also include ICD-10 PCS organization and structural and official coding guidelines and conventions. As a student, I also prepared for the Certified Coding Associate CCA examination. And my next course was the Advanced ICD-10 Diagnostic Coding. This course is focused on the advanced application of the ICD-10 CM classification system. Application-based assignments will be utilized to allow students to demonstrate advanced knowledge of coding conventions, coding principles, and official coding guidelines. Students will also use relevant patient information from case studies to assign codes to diagnose statements and generate physician queries. Coding characteristics, conventions, and guidelines will be applied in identifying and accurately assigning codes to discuss diseases and conditions. And for this program institutional outcome was the evaluate the accuracy and completeness of the patient record as defined by policy, external regulations, and standards. Next, we have Evaluation and Management Services. This course involved the study of the Evaluation and Management Services EM, Clinical Classification System, for physician-patient encounters. The use of the maintenance of electronic applications and work processes supporting classification and codings are discussed. Topics included the assignment of EM code based on physician and outpatient encounters, the interpretation of relevant regulations and coding guidelines, and the validation of coding accuracy by comparison with the health record. A working knowledge of EM coding with ensure optimal compliance with current rules and regulations. Next, we have the Career Development 2 Theory and Practice. This course taught us how to enhance employment documents, secure internships or opportunities, refine my credit portfolio, assessment, articulate workplace readiness, apply career development theories, and evaluate interview feedback to just portfolio content and presentation outline. For the institutional outcome, we learned how to participate in social, academic, and professional communities for individual growth to function as a citizen of a multicultural world. My next class was Human Diseases and Drug Pharmacology. In this course, we focused on understanding diseases, their causes and treatment methods, as well as analyzing laboratory testing and pharmacological treatments, consumer safety drug regulations, and drug classifications. It also evaluates the accuracy of abbreviations and dosage measurements in health documentation. And the institutional outcome for this was we learned how to employ strategies for reflection on learning and practice in order to adjust learning processes for continual improvement. Next, we have clinical documentation. This course outlines the process of analyzing health record documentation, identifying discrepancies, applying legal processes, focusing on risk management and quality assurance, preparing for audits, and demonstrating regulatory compliance for CDI programs. The program institutional outcome was learning how to utilize appropriate current technology and resources to locate and evaluate information needed to accomplish a goal, and then communicate findings in visual, written, and/or oral formats. Next, we have ICD, Diagnostic Coding. This course outlines the importance of understanding ICD-10 CM format, symbols, punctuation, and notations, accurately assigning and sequencing diagnostic codes, understanding electronic applications, and interpreting health data for accurate code assignments. Next, we have CPT and HCPCS Level 2 coding. This course taught us how to utilize CPT guidelines for medical coding, learning how to apply CPT and HCPCS 2 classification systems and identify discrepancies and validate medical necessity using LCD and NCD in various settings. And the program institutional outcome was we learned how to abstract information for medical charts to assign the correct diagnoses and supply HCPCS Level 2 code in a variety of medical situations. And next, we have the electronic health records. In this course, we learned how to focus on sharing, recording, collecting, and analyzing health information. It focuses on the health information exchange, which facilitates efficient healthcare communication, aiming for better patient care. Research and treatment plans. HIPAA and MPIs are essential acronyms for patient privacy and security in EHRs. The course also included a portfolio project allowing us to become guardians of accurate patient records. And the program institutional outcome, we learned how to demonstrate competency to assemble, process, maintain, store, abstract, analyze, index, and retrieve healthcare information. Next, we had Survey of Anatomy and Physiology. In this course, we learned the functions of various body systems, cellular functions, and the relationships between anatomical and physical systems in the human body. Next, we had Healthcare Terminology. In this course, we developed fluency in healthcare language by identifying medical abbreviations, accurately spelling, pronunciation, decoding word parts, and understanding body structures, functions, and diseases. And for this program institutional outcome, we learned how to transfer knowledge, skills, and behaviors acquired through formal and informal learning and life experiences to new situations. And our last course, which actually was our first course, was Introduction to Medical Coding and Reimbursement. The course covered reimbursement methodologies, insurance programs, claims, submission, regulations, revenue cycle management, and medical necessity auditing. It also covered payer regulations, electronic billings, HIPAA compliance, front-end processes, case management, and financial services, ensuring compliance with standards. And as you can see right here, my educational background, I will be graduating August 11, 2024 with an associate's degree in medical reimbursement and coding. And here, my exam history. On May 18, 2024, I graduated. No, excuse me, I did not graduate. On May 18, 2024, I passed my CCA exam and obtained my coding credential, which I am very, very proud of. And here I have my updated resume with my CCA credential. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is my e-portfolio, and I hope that I shed some positive light on my school journey. Have a nice day.